photos at all hours, day and night, hours spent in the van travelling to customers, microscopic displays, remote controls to program. Then there are cloned remotes and lost ones, and then a fault, diagnosis, and more driving. Enough! Relax with EasyAXS, the new product from BFT. The specialist in access control automations. All your problems are solved. External gateway to configure, complex wiring. With the EasyAXS connectivity, plug-and-play modules, it's much quicker and easier. And what if there is no internet connection? You can use Bluetooth. Keyboards, buttons and small displays that test both your patience and your eyesight. With EasyAXS, you just need a smartphone. Easy, right? You no longer have to travel to the customer just to program a single remote control. With the QR code and the EasyAXS app, you can do it from your office. Then all you need to do is send it out. We could have chosen any app to control EasyAXS, but we chose the best, Tahoma app by Somfy. Before, when opening a gate, your customer needed to be close to home. Now they can do it anywhere via the app or voice-operated assistance. Before, your client had to stay home to let the courier in. Now they can do it remotely. EasyAXS. Easy life.